welcome back to Norm's Custom Sawing. Today we got this nice pine right here, about a little over 14 foot long. We're going to turn this into some 6x6s, which would be 5.5 by 5.5. Looks like this right here. And what I'm going to do is the slabs of these here, I'm going to save them, and I'm going to straight edge the slabs. And if you come over here, I'm putting up, that's going to be my firewood building. And I'm going to use the slabs for the siding of it. Instead of just throwing all those slabs away all the time, I'm going to make use of them. I think this one here will have some nice clean slabs. Straight edge them. They'll be between 6 and 8 inches wide. I heard something in here that did not sound good. I think I hit a nail. And I did right. And there it is. Yeah. Oh, that was a quick one. All it was, one little screw right there. Well, I got 4 good 6x6s out of these. Now, when I say 6x6s, I mean 5.5 by 5.5. That's like the standard dimensional. It's not your rough cut. Um, Turned out pretty good. On the far end there, you got some wane on it. But these are like 14.5 foot, almost 15 foot beam. So I can still sell these at 14 footer because you can cut that off there, so it'll have your full 5.5 by 5.5 or 6x6s. Hey, these here, I was walking on them, so they got muddy. But as you can tell, we have been getting a lot of rain lately. It just seems a nice, beautiful day, and then it just pours down rain for about a half hour to an hour, and then it's done. So it's kind of rough keeping the yard cleaned up as far as your mud goes. And I'll show you some more back here. Here's some of the siding I cut. Made it flat on both sides. And then this is what I'll do with them. It looks actually pretty good. I need to get a roof on this. I'm gonna have it slanted a little bit, so in case any snow, water, or whatever thing can run off. I was gonna put steel on top. I'm not sure that I will do that right now. I have some steel that I got from an old barn, and I thought about just putting that over top then. And this will be out beside the road with firewood in it for camping and whatever have you. And so that's what that looks like. I think it actually turned out pretty nice. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy the videos.